வணக்கம். பார்க்குறீங்க இல்லையா, டாடா பெவிலியன். ஸோ பிரம்மாண்டமான வாகனங்கள்லாம் இங்கே இருக்குது. இங்கே நிறைய புதுமைகள் இருக்குது. இங்கே 14 வாகனங்கள் இங்கே காட்சிப்படுத்தியிருக்காங்க. இதில் பல வாகனங்கள் வந்து அடாஸ் ஃபீச்சர்ஸோடு இருக்குது. சார் வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம்.
ஸோ இப்போ நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நான் கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறோம். சார் ஜஸ்ட் முதல்ல இனிஷியலி ஐ ஜஸ்ட் லைக் டு ஹியர் ஃப்ரம் யூ ஹவு டாடா commercial vehicles are connected to the people of Tamil Nadu.
हमारा जब प्रोडक्ट whatever product development which we do it in Tata Motors, it's all customer centric product development. Whether it is about the region, it is about the fleet or individual driver, or about the state or a city or any other duty cycle which they operate, our engineers actually design the vehicle which are tuned to their own usage part of that. So whether it is about say the terrain which we are used, or operating condition which they follow, or their actually the usage for the need and the usage which they actually follow for their own actually the application, everything we actually take care into that. So that's why the Tata Motors is actually designing a product for a customer, and it's a customer centric product development. So whether you say about their need as far the fuel efficiency is concerned, their need as far the safety are concerned, their need as far the power requirement are concerned, or if they specifically mentioned about the say the containers or a load body or length of the load body, the seat profile, everything is tuned around that. And that's why we say that our leadership attributes are around say total cost of ownership. Our leadership attributes is around fuel efficiency. Our leadership attributes about the comfort and convenience. Our leadership attributes are around safety and reliability. So all customer connected for a Tamil Nadu or any other state of India.
When it comes to commercial vehicles, of course, since I am from Tamil Nadu, of course, your competitors are there in Tamil Nadu. How Tata Motor commercial vehicles, you can even name one by one and tell how it stands out of the rest and how it stands out of the segment.
Yes. So actually we respect every competition and actually encourage us to innovate much more. Always like this. So if you see in this Bharat Mobility Global Expo, we actually have a launch India's last mile mobility solution on a small commercial vehicle, Ace Pro EV, which we have launched. We have also expanded our entire EV platform on small commercial vehicle with a intra EV launch with the highest payload, highest range part of that. And then when you see as far as the intermediate commercial vehicle, which we have launched now a 12-tonner EV vehicle platform, which we have launched a facelift version on our a 19-tonner 3.6 biodiesel engine. Or when you talk about the heavy commercial vehicle range, you see the technology as far as the 55-tonner electric vehicle is concerned. You see a hydrogen ICE vehicle is there, or the truck or a tipper onto which we are standing is the world's first deep mining tipper with a 8.5 liter automatic transmission. Or when you see about the buses, we are actually launch a new space frame construction. We are launching new face on the buses, new energy efficiency measure, and this is what we are launch here everything. And what's important is about the launch of ADAS feature on all our trucks. The Tata Motors become the only OEM right now who are having a level 2 certified ADAS feature for our heavy commercial range of vehicle. Same thing you will see it on our buses. Also there are ADAS feature which are there. Same is also on our light commercial vehicle. Same is there on the intermediate commercial vehicle. You will be surprised to see that on a small commercial vehicle also, which we have launched now, and vision-based ADAS system on our vehicles.
Okay. Even for the ACE, you have that vision-based thing?
Vision-based? Yes.
Even for the ACE?
Yes. ACE and small commercial vehicle is vision-based. Here it is everywhere is ADAS features.
Okay. From the small product to the biggest product,
yes,
you have all the technologies. You don't differentiate between one customer and the other customer.
Correct. So safety is of paramount importance to us, and it is like a very comprehensive safety. So what we talk about is the safety for the driver, safety for his co-passenger, safety for the passenger who is sitting inside the vehicle, safety for the cargo. So we provide a series of safety
for the road
features.
users.
Everything is there. So even a pedestrian who are there, we take care of that. So features are tuned around that. So whether it is the alert based safety feature, or it is a warning based which are there, or when you talk about the active safety feature which are there. And you will see more than 25 ADAS feature are already applicated, certified for our heavy commercial range of vehicle. You will be also able to see a demonstrator or a experience center which we have created for the ADAS.
ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. ஈவன் சின்ன வாகனத்துல இருந்து பெரிய வாகனம் வரையில நீங்கள் சேஃப்டி ஃபீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறீங்கன்றது, அதுவும் அடாஸ் மாதிரியான ஒரு சேஃப்டி ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் கூட பல விஷயங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. ஈவன் விஷன் பேஸ்டு சேஃப்டி ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குன்றதெல்லாம் வந்து ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சிகரமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ சாலையில் விபத்து இல்லாமல் பயணங்கள் நடக்கணும்னா இது போல் பாதுகாப்பான வாகனங்கள் ரொம்ப அவசியம் தேவை. அதுக்காக நீங்கள் ரொம்ப பாடுபடுறீங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.